Hey there, I'm Johannes Schmid from Texcare, the laundry and dry cleaning show that's taking place at the end of the year, 27th November to 1st of December. The year 21 has begun. Everyone is hopeful for the recovery of the industry. We are too. We are actually very much working already on the preparations for the show, on the Fringe program. And I would like to kick off a little series today of videos and interviews that we have conceived, because we thought it'd be interesting to you to see how other laundries and experts and suppliers assess the situation post-pandemic or almost post-pandemic, what they see coming up on the horizon when it comes to future developments, how they get their businesses into shape for the future. And so stay tuned, follow us on social media, and most importantly, mark 27th of November in your calendars, please, for the show. We really look forward to seeing you all in person again, and so see you there. Bye-bye.